What is going on, everyone? So today in this video I'm going to be doing an idea of what you all can do with your Supreme stickers. So if you have a bunch of extra Supreme stickers, or you may have just bought some and you're not sure what to do with them, then this video is going to be to help you out and just really show you guys what you are able to do and what you guys can do with them if you just are unsure or you don't know where to place them. But this video should be helpful, so I hope you guys will enjoy. If you're new, subscribe below, or you guys can also enter in the giveaway. The link will be in the description. It's a $400 giveaway and you guys do not want to miss out on that. It'll be a really good giveaway. But I'm gonna get straight into this video. Drop a like. Let's get 300 likes this video. I think it's really helpful, but let's get started. Okay, so our first recommendation we do have would be any sort of charger. So here's just a regular Supreme charger, and if you were looking to actually find maybe a cheaper alternative or another option to this, so let's say you had a regular portable charger like this, you could actually wrap it around, for example, and hopefully there'll be something playing on the side or something showing the process, but basically you'd just be able to wrap it around and it would look pretty nice. You wouldn't really have to cut anything off, and you could cut it so it maybe just say Supreme if you were to wrap it so it would only have 3 letters, but that's one choice. And you don't just have to go with basic portable chargers like this. You could also use something like a MacBook charger where you could wrap it around. So for example, there'll be something playing, I hope, but right here you basically could just wrap it around right here and it would look pretty nice and it'd look pretty neat. Like, I've seen a bunch of people do this, and I definitely would suggest that as one thing to do in the video, because you could definitely wrap it around, and that's definitely a good thing you guys could do with your Supreme stickers. Like, there's so many options of what you guys can use to, like, I guess just use your Supreme stickers, and this is definitely our first one we suggest. It's just any sort of portable chargers, and you could definitely just save your money. Instead of buying this, you could just use one Supreme sticker and make pretty much the same thing. Okay, so my next suggestion involves a laptop. So if you have a laptop, MacBook, whatever it is, you basically could get your Supreme stickers, and you guys can see here I split these. And the reason for me splitting these is because actually if you were to then open your laptop, you could then actually get your laptop and place the stickers on them like this. You present it like this. And you can split your Supreme stickers on them. That probably looked a bit different, but you will probably see an example on the screen somewhere. But you could split them and you can put them on like that. And I did see another suggestion. We don't have an X-Acto knife, but I did see someone where they put a Supreme sticker, this one's split, but they put it over like this, and they actually X-Acto knifed out the Apple logo, and basically it had the Supreme sticker, and then it had the Apple logo showing, so whenever they actually opened their laptop, the Apple logo would shine inside the Supreme sticker, which actually looked really, really cool. And I definitely thought that'd be a unique idea I could definitely put in this video, since, that's the whole idea of this video, is you guys can see things you guys can do. So if you have an X-Acto knife, or you want to try and do this idea, it's pretty cool, because when the Apple logo shines around the Supreme sticker, it looks pretty nice. And then if you split them and put them on the inside of your laptop, that's also a basic idea you guys can make with scissors. But definitely another suggestion would be any sort of laptop.
Okay, so our next thing that we have is putting Supreme stickers on your skateboard if you skate, or if you're a poser. But here Tristan has his Alien Workshop board, and he put a Supreme sticker right here.
Just in the center. Yeah,
just in the center over your eyes, which looks pretty sick. And also, I have a picture of a grip job I did with my last Supreme board. I took the stickers. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I took the stickers and basically lined them up, and I put one of the Supreme flower stickers over it because it was the flower deck. But yeah, that's what you can do with your Supreme stickers on a skateboard.
Okay, so we're gonna start moving into some more basic ideas that would probably be more realistic or not, whatever it may be. But I have a suggestion right here with a mug. So this already is a Supreme mug, so I don't need to put a sticker over it. But you guys could cut off just the sub part of the Supreme sticker, and you guys could put it around your mug like this, and that would actually look pretty nice. Or you could do it with a water bottle. So with this, you basically just take the water bottle and then you could just place it on like this. Or you could get a full Supreme sticker and wrap it around. It doesn't really matter. You guys can do whatever you want with your stickers. But that's another suggestion, is just anything, mugs, water bottles. If you're trying to mess around with Supreme stickers, you guys can do really anything with them. So that's another suggestion right there, would be any sort of mug or water bottle. Okay, so our next suggestion would be your phone. Now, this is a pretty basic one. A lot of people know you guys can just use Supreme stickers, put them on your phone. So first suggestion, you can just put it on like ream like this, and you can cut off the sub part, or you can just leave the sub part on. It doesn't really matter. You can do this, again, you can do this with laptops or anything. But this is a really basic suggestion. We don't even need to discuss it for that long. Pretty simple. All you gotta do is just cut the sub and ream part of your sticker in half, and then you'll have 2 parts, and you can use either on your phone. This one personally looks better to me. That's just a sort of basic one and general one. And this one is sort of odd. You could use it, if you're trying to confuse people, because some people just don't understand what Supreme stickers look like. But whatever it is, whatever the case is, that's one suggestion right there, is any sort of phone. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video on what you guys can do with Supreme stickers. There's plenty of things you guys can use your Supreme stickers for, whether it be a funny idea, a cool idea, something really unique, and hopefully this video helped you guys out with finding out something you guys could do with your Supreme stickers, because that was the objective of this video. But if you are new and do want more content like this, if you want a part 2, whatever it is, go ahead and subscribe below. I'd appreciate that. And another thing you guys can do before I close the video out is enter in the giveaway in the description. It's a huge giveaway and I do not want you all to miss out on it. I've done plenty of giveaways like this before and it's by far the biggest one. Just thank you all for 10K, which is a huge goal. So thank you all for that. But anyways, thank you all for watching this video. Peace out. Yo.